Hello honeydews and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you the secrets about Vaseline for skincare. Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, has been a staple in many skincare routines for decades. From moisturizing to protecting the skin, Vaseline has numerous benefits that can help achieve healthy and glowing skin. In this video, we'll be discussing the top secrets about Vaseline for skincare, so let's get started. Segment 1. Moisturizing properties. 1. Locking in moisture. Vaseline helps to lock in moisture and prevent dryness, making it an effective moisturizer for dry skin. 2. Soothing dry skin. Vaseline can help to soothe dry, chapped skin, especially on hands, feet, and elbows. 3. Hydrating cuticles. Applying Vaseline to cuticles can help to hydrate and soften them. Segment 2. Protective properties. 4. Protecting skin from wind and cold weather. Vaseline can help to protect skin from harsh wind and cold weather. 5. Preventing chapping. Vaseline can help to prevent chapping and dryness on skin, especially on lips and hands. 6. Shielding skin from windburn. Applying Vaseline to skin can help to shield it from windburn. Segment 3. Skin repair and healing. 7. Aiding skin repair. Vaseline can help to aid skin repair by locking in moisture and protecting skin from further irritation. 8. Helping to heal minor cuts and scrapes. Applying Vaseline to minor cuts and scrapes can help to promote healing. 9. Soothing skin irritations. Vaseline can help to soothe skin irritations, such as minor burns and rashes. Segment 4. Makeup and beauty uses. 10. Taming eyebrows. Applying Vaseline to eyebrows can help to tame and shape them. 2. Adding shine to lips. Vaseline can be used to add shine and moisture to lips. 12. Protecting skin from makeup. Vaseline can be used as a barrier between skin and makeup to prevent clogged pores. Segment 5. Other uses. 13. Softening rough patches. Vaseline can help to soften rough patches on skin, such as heels and elbows. 14. Preventing diaper rash. Applying Vaseline to a baby's bottom can help to prevent diaper rash. 15. Soothing sunburn. Vaseline can help to soothe sunburned skin and lock in moisture. Segment 6. Tips and precautions. 16. Using Vaseline sparingly. It's essential to use Vaseline sparingly, as excessive use can clog pores. 17. Avoiding use on acne-prone skin. Vaseline may not be suitable for acne-prone skin, as it can exacerbate acne. 18. Patch testing. It's crucial to patch test Vaseline on a small area of skin before using it extensively. Segment 7. Additional benefits. 19. Helping to reduce appearance of scars. Vaseline can help to reduce the appearance of scars by keeping them moisturized. 20. Soothing eczema. Vaseline can help to soothe skin irritations caused by eczema. 21. Protecting skin from dry air. Vaseline can help to protect skin from dry air, especially during winter months. Segment 8. More secrets. 22. Using Vaseline as a lip balm. Vaseline can be used as a lip balm to moisturize and protect lips. 23. Applying Vaseline to dry hair. Vaseline can help to moisturize and nourish dry hair. 24. Using Vaseline on nails. Vaseline can help to moisturize and protect nails. Segment 9. Even more secrets. 25. Vaseline for skin whitening. Some people use Vaseline to help whiten skin, although its effectiveness for this purpose is unclear. 26. Vaseline for stretch marks. Vaseline can help to moisturize skin and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. 27. Vaseline for skin elasticity. Vaseline can help to improve skin elasticity by keeping skin moisturized. 28. Using Vaseline consistently. Consistency is key when using Vaseline for skincare. 29. Combining Vaseline with other products. Vaseline can be combined with other. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this comprehensive guide to the secrets about Vaseline for skincare. From moisturizing to protecting the skin, Vaseline has numerous benefits that can help achieve healthy and glowing skin. Vaseline is a versatile and affordable product that can be used in a variety of ways to improve skin health. Whether you're looking to soothe dry skin, protect your skin from the elements, or aid in skin repair, Vaseline can be a valuable addition to your skincare routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.